I may or may not have just spent the last 6 hours trying to catch these two goldeye. But we're out here on the Red River, we're catfishing. We just drove down from Lake Zachthefisherman. It is absolutely beautiful up there. We only caught that one decent walleye, which is okay. We're here, we're gonna go catch some catfish. Hopefully we get a master. Hopefully we get into them. I just noticed something. One of these is a goldeye and the other is a mooneye. One tall tail sign is if you look at this back fin and you look at the anal fin, it is in front of it. But if you look at this one, it is kind of like in the middle of it. That's a good way to tell. And also, if you look at the eyes, goldeye, obviously gold. Mooneye is usually half gold, but this guy has a silver eye, I suppose. But I'm just gonna get to cutting them up. This is my new catfish rod. It was supposed to be a lake trout rod, but Baker's Narrows had different plans. The rig that I have today is a slip rig. Very simple. We got a pancake weight, 4 ounces, a bead to protect the knot, and then I bought these custom leaders. I believe that's like 25-pound fluoro to a 7/0 octopus hook. And basically just baiting up, and we're casting out, baiting and waiting. It's the name of the catfish game. You know the guy up at, I think it's River Cats? Red River Cats told me that goldeye were kind of not in style right now. Like nobody was catching them. I showed them by spending a whole 6 hours at it. But let's get out there, cast it out, let it hit the bottom. Boom, it's on bottom. Half a reel, and now we just wait. There we go. Got one. Yeah. Oh. That feels like a nice cat. Took a long time for this fish to finally, oh wow, to finally show itself. Oh, I haven't even seen it yet. Wow. I love catfish. They fight so good. Oh. There's my weight. Okay. Okay, get the net out of the water. Yeah. Wait till you see him. I'll get his head, just leave it out of the water until you see him. But like, wait till you're ready to scoop. Okay, there he is. There we go. He keeps going under. Oh. What a nice fish. I don't know if he's big, but oh my gosh. Oh. Okay. Turn him. Get him in the net. Get him in the net. There we go. Whew. That is a nice catfish. This is why you track down goldeye for hours and hours. Get that hook out of its mouth, its face hole. There we go. There we go. Oh. Red River Catfish. That's a nice fish. Let's get him on the bump board. 31 3/4. There we go. 31 3/4. Not quite a master, but a good fight nonetheless. Whew. Beautiful. Been waiting for such a long time for that fish. We made a move, we got a little deeper, and just like that, we caught that fish. Let's get back out there. Let's catch another. Let's get out there. Felt good. Baiting and waiting is a tough thing to do because you're just sitting here watching a rod for hours on end. I like baiting and waiting though. It's like my favorite method of fishing for at least rivers. Fish in the North Sask for sturgeon, or though I have found fishing for walleye on the North Saskatchewan way more successful if you're casting just like a jig and a grub. It works way better. Let's just wait for this rod to go off again. We'll have about an hour or so before our night's done, because we don't have lights on the boat, unfortunately. I don't feel like cooking when we get back, so. Oh, there we go. Got one. Got one. Okay, there we go. Nice fish. There we go. Another catfish. Oh, wow. That thing is heavy. I can't even move it. Okay. Okay. Calm down, Zach. Oh, I don't even think I got this fish off of the bottom yet. Oh, okay. Oh, he doesn't want to leave the bottom. Oh, force him a little more, maybe. There he is. Oh, did you see that thing? Oh my gosh. Your rod. Okay. You got a fish on?
Yes, I do.
Doubles.
Oh, oh my God.
Okay, we got doubles on. Okay. Okay. This is insane. Double headers. Okay, keep pass. No, I got it. Okay. 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 Here's the challenge. Netting 2 fish at once. Okay. Okay. My legs are shaking. Okay. 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 I got mine in the net. Yeah.
I see my weight.
Okay, see your weight? Okay. Whoa, that's a big catch.
Mine's not that big.
No? I'll get yours in. Okay. Here we go. That's a nice fish still on. No, I missed. Oh, I got him.
Bigger than I thought.
Okay.
He's bigger than I thought.
Okay. Oh, let's pop this hook out. Pages, fish, let's get a measurement. 31 3/4. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Hold him off the side.
Yeah, let him drink.
Okay. Have a drink.
We'll get the picture off the GoPro.
Okay.
Oh, 34. Oh, nose touching. 34 inches. I believe that classifies as a Manitoba master angler. Smile. What a day. Okay, let's send these fish back. Thank you. Oh. That is the definition of a show. A show.
But a fun one.
I got my master. Oh, that was fun. When that fish first came up here and then she hooked into one, my legs just started shaking. Oh, that was cool. Back to the bottom. Prime time is here for catfish. B-roll. Going. Nice.
Oh my goodness. I I love when they hit me like that. That's so fun. It's so fun. Oh,
Okay.
oh gosh.
Think I should reel in so we don't have the same show as last time? No. Oh,
Oh my god, are you kidding?
no.
Oh my gosh, come
Oh,
here.
he's on me. He's on me.
He's on you.
Yeah, this is a teamwork fish, I guess. I'm off. Okay. It's just on you. It's just on you. Okay. I'll watch. Come on. Think he's big?
Yeah, I think he's big.
Think he's bigger than your last one?
Yeah.
I'm just on net duty here. Okay. Stop reeling for a moment. Pull up. There you go. Reel down. Pull up.
Oh god. Oh god.
Are you stuck?
No, I'm not stuck. He keeps going under.
We haven't even seen this fish yet. I'm just gonna put the net down. You know I don't take over, right? There you go, you're moving him. It's getting tired.
Oh god.
Okay, reel. There's your weight, there's your weight.
You see my weight?
Yeah.
Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. What is my bait doing all the way up there?
That's what happened to mine. He's in the anchor, he's in the anchor.
Oh my god. He made
Okay,
it.
he's up here. He's up here.
Oh god.
There you go. Nice work. Here you go. High five.
Oh my god.
That's a nice fish. There we go.
Oh my gosh.
That is a nice fish.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, Paige just landed a river monster. You got yourself a master angler there. There you go. Release him back into the red. Nice work. So, the dire minutes, 9 more minutes, 10 more minutes, we'll call it. Just waiting on a fish. One last cat. Then we gotta head back to the place we call home. No, I could call this home. Safety first when you're traveling, especially on a body of water that you don't really know. Make sure you put that kill rope on your wrist, life jacket on. You're hooked with a hook.
I know.
Trying to unclip it. You need help? There you go. Let's get going.
Take that.
Well guys, thank you for coming to another episode of Zach the Fisherman. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and that $5,000 giveaway, no, and that $500 giveaway is coming soon. I almost messed that up. 500 bucks, so subscribe, peace.